On April 5, 2026, an American F-15 was flying over the mountains of western Iran. On board, 2 crew, a pilot and a weapons officer. Minutes later, it would become the first U.S. aircraft lost in the war. But it wasn't a missile the pilot remembered. It was something in the air ahead of him, moving like it was alive. What he described didn't match anything U.S. intelligence believed Iran could do. To understand why his report set off an argument inside the Pentagon, we need to break down 3 things. What he saw, the technology that could explain it, and why some officials don't believe him at all. Let's take a closer look. The pilot reported a wall of drones, dozens of them, hovering and moving as one. One debrief described it simply: multiple drones interconnected, moving as one, with smaller drones below the bigger drones, like legs. Another called it a minefield in the sky. The shape it formed had an obvious nickname, a jellyfish. Then the formation reacted, and his aircraft was hit. Normally, one operator flies one drone. What the pilot described is different. It's called one-to-many mesh networking. A single operator commands an entire swarm, and crucially, the drones also talk to each other. They share position, target data, and movement, so the group behaves like one organism. Lose one drone, and the mesh reroutes around it. Russia and China are believed to have this. Iran was not. That's what made the report alarming. Not that drones were used, but that they appeared to be thinking together. But here's the complication. The pilot ejected and was rescued within hours. His weapons officer evaded capture in the mountains for more than a day before special forces reached him. And the pilot had suffered a concussion in the crash. During his debrief, intelligence officials asked the obvious question: did he truly see a coordinated swarm? Or did a stressed, injured brain assemble a pattern out of chaos? The cause of the downing is still officially under investigation. If the account is real, it changes the math of modern air war. A single F-15 costs tens of millions of dollars. A swarm that can overwhelm it might cost a fraction of that, and you can build thousands. That's the nightmare planners have warned about for a decade. Cheap, networked, expendable machines that hunt as a pack. The question now isn't whether the technology is coming, it's who already has it. One injured pilot, one impossible-sounding report, and an intelligence community that can't yet agree on what it means. If this is the future of the skies, we may have just gotten our first look at it. For more breakdowns like this one, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.